Hello, fellow real estate investors. I'm Lois Threlkeld, and today we're diving into a fantastic investment vehicle, REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trusts. So in this episode, we're going to explore how you can tap into legal expertise to empower your REIT investments. So this is an incredible way to have the involvement of real estate without owning physical properties. So we'll uncover how legal support can maximize your returns for that. Let's talk about dividend payments. So what REITs are and why they're so appealing for a lot of us is real estate investment trust companies are companies that own, operate, finance these income-producing real estate properties. They are offering investors really high dividend payments, and it makes it a nice resource for passive investing. It also provides diversification. So when you have these different real estate sectors, you're reducing your risk. There are amazing tax benefits, very significant, and most of the income that's distributed to shareholders is resulting in really favorable tax treatment. Now let's discuss how legal support can be a game changer for real estate investment trust or REIT investors. Well, let's see. Legal professionals can review your investment agreements and ensure that they're in your best interests, providing an extra layer of protection for you. They also help in the event that disputes occur with real estate investment trust investments. Sometimes they involve regulatory compliance. It can be very complex. So this legal assistance can really help you stay on the right side of the law. If you're interested in accessing legal assistance for your REIT investments and more, contact us and we'll give you access to our legal service providers. It's about a cup of coffee a day and you have unlimited access to our law firms. Before we wrap up, remember investing in REITs or real estate investment trusts can be very rewarding in your journey, especially when you have the right legal allies to support your investments. So if you have any questions or need further information, go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com and contact us. Thanks for joining us today and exploring the world of REITs and how legal assistance can enhance your investment strategy. Make sure you hit that like button, give us any comments, feedback, questions, and share this with people you think might be interested in investing in a solid investment tool. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. Until we see each other again, I'm Lois Threlkeld with the ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit us.